Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here with the daily options trade. So, let's get into it. I have Bgfv Sporting Goods, BGFV. You can see I'm up 107% on that stock so far. I didn't buy a lot, but I do like Bgfv. So, what I want to do today is try to make some income off of that and potentially get rid of the stock. Maybe. Let's see. So I don't have it in my list. So Bgf Bgfv. Okay. Okay, so I'm looking to sell a covered call. Now, if I go to the monthly, it doesn't have weekly options. I'm only gonna get 40 cents. Yeah, that's not real great. And it's got an 85% chance of execution. Alright, so let's go to June. Yeah, I like that number a lot better. Alright, so let's sell that. Let's go right to the midpoint. See what happens there. It's $155. Sell to open. Alright. So basically this covered call. Okay, it didn't execute. Let's try again. 145. Wow, that's a huge difference, isn't it? Alright. We're chasing it down. I wonder if the market's not very liquid. I didn't take a look to see how many contracts were, what the open interest was. Alright, so we got filled at 145. Let's go back. Positions. Now we have what is called a covered call. Alright, so a covered call is where you sell a call against 100 shares of stock. If the stock goes down, you make money. Sounds counterintuitive. So if the stock goes down, you make money on the covered call, but you lose money on the stock. Now, hopefully the stock won't go down too much, and you'll hit the break-even point. But if the stock goes up, it limits your upside potential. Now you can see here, Bgfv has had a pretty good run. Let's go back and look at the chart. Alright. The chart, you can see, is, go back to the chart, has had a huge run up. Okay, so you can see here, where's the, it hit a low of like, wow, $6. It was pretty low. Alright, it was way down there when I got it. It was just recovering in the recovery cycle. I thought they'd go out of business. Everybody was really down on sports. We had the big crash. Bgfv's not a super awesome stock to begin with, right? If we look back. But it's got this huge run up because everything's reopening. Sentiment's really awesome. So, the stock could do really well. But we go to the daily chart. We've kind of stabilized at this price. Okay? You can see my stochastic is saying that the sentiment is dropping. So the prices probably might go down. It's probably not going to go up at this point. It's way above the moving averages. So it's going to come back to normalization. As moving averages rise, it'll try to meet that line. It'll probably meet it somewhere in the middle, maybe about 25. It's really hard to predict with this chart because there's such a huge rise so quickly. So there's not much support level in there, not many support levels, but you can kind of see 25. If we go to a smaller scale, you can definitely start to pick up some stuff. Alright, let's see, it was way up there, 32. Okay, so it's definitely coming down, coming down. You can see the stochastic has really taken a huge dive at this level. So I'm like, okay, seems to make a lot of sense. Right, and you can see down here at the bottom, 27.35 might be some support. Right, and then right here, about $25, 24, 24.25, that area. So I think that might be reasonable. What do you guys think about Big 5? I like going there, shopping. Yeah, good stuff. Alright guys, I think that's all I have for today. Anyway, that's a covered call. You have 100 shares of stock. You sell a call against it. If the stock goes up, you have limited upside potential. If we go back to mine, okay, we can see that I'll be capped at $35, which will give me a decent profit, and it'll give me a little bit extra money to sell the stock. So if it goes up to 35, 30, 37, 40, yeah, I'd be a little disappointed that I missed out on those gains. But I could always roll it. I could do a diagonal, could roll it up, roll it out in time, try to make more money on it, or I just take my profits and run. And that's the whole key to the game, is to make income off of these stocks that might not move or might move down slightly, but you don't want to liquidate them out of your account. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about this. Remember to subscribe for options, daily options trade, and more options trading techniques and income, wealth building techniques. Remember to like the video too. Thanks guys.